Hello, you beautiful 1,600 people. I had a brilliant night here at the spot. You see some pictures here I did last night. There you go. And today I changed my mind. I want to go as fast to Santiago as possible. And right now I'm here. Let's have a look at the map. I'm here a bit south of Caldera, here by the coast. And I want to get down to Santiago as fast as possible. I know this part of the coast already. I know the Ruta 5 already. So I've driven all these streets down here, and I want to go today maybe a bit south of La Serena and Coquimbo, and gonna go wild camping anywhere in this area. Yeah, I want to go as fast as possible down to Santiago. Before I can cross to Argentina, I have to make a PCR test again. And yeah, so I don't want to be there on the last minute. And since I know the coast already and I've been down there twice, yeah, I thought I take the fast lane, get down to Santiago, meet my friend Christian at his Casa Mate. Probably a few of you will notice this hostel in the middle of Santiago, where there's a workshop. So I'm gonna clean Urma there, gonna set it up, make everything nice and fine and shiny, so I can cross the border without any problems. So, well, that's the plan. Let's see how far I take it today. Yeah, no pressure. In the next 2-3 days I want to get to Santiago, and it's 900 kilometers. So, well, not so bad for 3 days, 900 kilometers. Let's see how it's gonna work out. Gonna leave now this beautiful place, and yeah, get ready, get on the road and hit it. This is a rough road.
You're still around. You're safe and sound. 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 beauty see, and in short measures life may perfect be.
You see the entrance there, just where the second yellow sign is? Right there, 100 meters in front there. You know, remember the dog I rescued that came running to me? It was exactly at this spot here. And I thought of going to the veterinarian clinic and ask about the little doggy, but I keep her in mind as it was, and just just don't want to ruin this memory, because I have no idea what I've done to her. But yeah, this was it. It was right here. Now let's go on.
You're safe and sound. You're still around. You're safe and sound. Just beauty see, and in short measures life may perfect be. In small proportions we just beauty see, and in short measures life may perfect be.
Hey guys, I made it even further today, so passed by La Serena in Coquimbo and left it behind, and I'm shortly for Tocopilla. I think did about 450 kilometers today, and wanted to make majors, and now I went up here because I found an overlander, some nice spots for wild camping, and then I had a very nice funny ride in this deep sand, but it wasn't a problem. I made it, not again all over dirty. Yeah, and I found a spot here. Well, gonna set up my tent right there, and yeah, with a little bit of view to the sea, a little view down to the valley, and the very back on the mountain on the back there's the Ruta 5, and yeah, I'm gonna stay for the night, and tomorrow I'm gonna hit the road and go to Santiago. Maybe I can need a new back tire. The front tire is still good. This will hold until Montevideo, I think. Yeah, this is good too, and I got tubes in there also, so I can really ride it down. Yeah, this was it. So it was not very spectacular, because from Huasco I went to the Ruta 5, and then the last 300 kilometers I was just going on the interstate, on the so-called Panamericana. But it's not really fun to ride and not really good for videoing. So yeah, that's it. Gonna set up my tent and eat something, go to sleep, and yeah, have a silent night. See you tomorrow. Oh, by the way, silent night, it's almost Christmas now. I think it's the 18th, 19th is today, so 5 days more than is Christmas. But I'm not religious, so I don't celebrate Christmas. No worries. Okay, set up tent, go to sleep. Right on.